Hi, in this Excel tutorial, we'll go over a few different ways to join cells in Excel. We'll join cells using ampersand and concatenate, and then concat, which is an updated version of concatenate. And lastly, we'll join cells using the TEXTJOIN function. And by the way, if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more tips. Because ampersand is a calculation operator and not a function, just select the cells that you want to join and make sure to type the ampersand between each cell and any delimiter. So in this case, we're using a space as our delimiter, but it can be any character or symbol. Making sure again to type the ampersand between each one. And when you're done, just select enter. Now concatenate works like the ampersand, but given that it's a formula, we'll type in concatenate and select each cell that we want to join individually, adding our delimiter in quotation marks between each item that we're joining. Concat is an updated version of concatenate, which will likely be phased out in the future. Now, what's great about concat is that you can select a range of cells at one time rather than individually. So in our example, we actually want to insert a space as a delimiter between each item, but let's say we didn't. We can just select an entire range using concat, which is something we're not able to do using the ampersand or concatenate. We still have to go in and choose each item individually. Now let's just copy and paste over this so that it looks correct with our space between each one. And lastly, TEXTJOIN. Now TEXTJOIN is amazing. It functions very much like concat, except that it can help you work faster. This is because you can define your delimiter up front. So in this case, we'll type our space delimiter. We're going to choose to ignore empty cells. I mean, not that we have any empty cells in our range, and there may be instances where you want to include them, but I'm going to choose ignore for this example. And then we can just select our range of cells that we want to join. And we'll copy this down. So I hope you found this tutorial on ways to join cells in Microsoft Excel helpful. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.